Yep.
Me. Hey, welcome. Microwaves 101 channel. Here we are. Look down here. The cable, the recent cable that we were supplied, where the vendor brags about how it's really flexible. You can bend it at a 90-degree angle and do all this stuff. Notice it's not stress relieved like an actual really good cable. And so, what's going on in the industry is they're training younger people that it's okay to bend the crap out of a cable, take the cable, do whatever you want. It's not a problem. Well, I'm here to tell you, it is a problem. That's $1,000 cable, and it's probably already broken. So if you want to look up at the, that's the insertion loss, that's the return loss. As I flex this cable, it's going all over the place. That might not be a broken cable, but it's not a good cable. So, moral of the story is, don't bend your cables. Don't listen to the guy in the lobby telling you that you could tow your car with a $1,000 cable. It's not going to end well. Thanks.